Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to enable subtitles for easier viewing or disable them because they are appearing unexpectedly, adjusting closed captions on Verizon Fios is usually quick and straightforward. Closed captions can be useful in noisy environments during quiet viewing sessions or for improving accessibility. Depending on your setup, these settings can be controlled through the Verizon Fios TV box or with the Verizon Fios remote itself. The good news is that you don't need to change complicated settings to manage captions. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps to turn closed captions on or off with Verizon Fios. Try these. Step 1. Pick up the Verizon Fios remote and turn on the TV. Step 2. Open the menu using the Verizon Fios remote. Step 3. Navigate to accessibility options with the Verizon Fios remote. Step 4. Locate the caption settings on the Verizon Fios system. Step 5. Enable or disable captions through the Verizon Fios system. Step 6. Return to programming and verify the changes on the Verizon Fios system.